VeChain Realistic Price Prediction. Hello guys and welcome back to the Crypto Diary, a channel that will completely make crypto comprehensible and easy to trade. In today's video, we'll be talking about the future price predictions of one of our favorite tokens, VeChain. Now, do you have any questions like whether VeChain would be a good investment at this time of year or not? Will the price of VeChain go noticeably high in the upcoming years? Even if it goes, how far can it go? If you're an investor in cryptocurrency, these are some pretty common but vital questions you might be thinking about. If you ask me, the whole scenario depends totally on the investor sentiment across the market of the crypto world. As per the analysis driven by a technical algorithm, VeChain, which also gets known as VET, will push itself back from the current position, and its price is also going to have a significant bull run. The current market price of VeChain is at $0.1218, and as per my analysis, by 2023 it will be somewhere around $2.45, and after 4 years, in 2025, it will be even 7 times higher on the peak of $14.36. Can't believe it? It's okay to be skeptical. I'll tell you how I've reached this prediction in detail. But first and foremost, I would always recommend you to do your research. That is the best way to find out whether volatile assets, such as cryptocurrency tokens, are any decent fit or not for your investment portfolio. Here you must keep in mind how much risk you can tolerate if things do not work out according to your plan and research. Because no prediction is 100% perfect in the world of investing and trading. Depending on that, you need to put aside some amount of money which you want to invest in VeChain. Anyway, let's go into some deeper analysis and check out how the price of VET is going to be in 2 or 4 years. Discussion. Before we go into deeper technical analysis, I think I should give you guys a little introduction to VeChain. In case you're not familiar with what this VeChain is, you might find this helpful. VeChain was founded in the year 2015. In the beginning, the project started merely as a supply chain management and anti-counterfeiting system supported by blockchain. It also included IoT technologies, but jumped to December 2017, the merchandise got totally rebranded and launched itself again with a completely new framework. VeChain was primarily famous for its blockchain technology. It produced smart and modern product tracking chips which were integrated into several gadgets, such as NFC chips, barcode and QR codes or RFID trackers, etc. All those smart chips manufactured by VeChain guaranteed user data reliability. The primary goals of VeChain were the optimization of the provision chain, protecting against counterfeiting, and verification of the authenticity of any product, and many other ventures. History of price in VeChain. I always believe in the quote, history repeats itself. It is a classic quotation and applicable almost anywhere. That is why I think before starting the analysis for the future price, we should take a quick look at VeChain's previous price pattern. Like VET, VeChain has another part called VeChain Thor or VTOR. It is a recent update. VTOR was launched in the market of cryptocurrency roughly 3 years back. In the beginning, it faced a bearish trend with a consistent downfall, but around the year 2019, it suddenly bounced back, and so far, the VTOR market is going in an uptrend, which is a promising point for the investors. On screen, a chart pattern of 2018 to 2019 chart pattern. VeChain VET was indexed on cryptocurrency exchanges in past due July and traded in the range of $0.02 to $0.26. However, VeChain soon broke out of that range and experienced extended volatility. From the start to the center of August, the charge fell to $0.006 in keeping with VET. A rebound immediately accompanied the decline, hitting $0.0198 with the aid of 4 September. Unfortunately, the rebound turned into brief and became accompanied using an extended recession. By 16th of December, the charge had dropped as low as $0.1 or $0.3. VeChain closed the year at $0.004. What do experts say? You have to watch out for what crypto professionals say about your favorite coin's future price. Even though their predictions might not be precise, they affect the market. Let's test some experts' critics on VeChain's destiny fee. According to Roger Ver, also referred to as Bitcoin Jesus and one of the most influential voices inside the crypto area, VeChain has a brilliant destiny. He argues that the platform's #1 venture is solving the actual global problems and has applications serving many industries. Ver said that as a whole lot, as he is inquisitive about the blockchain that enables a permissionless peer-to-peer digital coin system, Vechain has some exciting methods of using them to prevent counterfeit items and make P2P permissionless markets extra straightforward. Everything will depend on how the virtual forex follows the trend led with the aid of Bitcoin BTC. VET is now the 13th largest in the world. It can preserve development within the coming months if the bullish marketplace maintains. How the price of VET and VTOR going to affect? Ultimately, many investors trust that the fee of the VET token will come right down to the fee of Thor it produces. So what is the cost of Thor? Well, I recognize that the minimal manufacturing charge goes to be 0.00042 Thor in step with VET consistent with the day, but how much is one Thor worth? I'm not 100% sure, but there hasn't been a great deal of Thor charge action inside the first months because the extent has been low. Many appear looking to keep their Thor till quantity appears to increase the rate. Oceana may be running on Vechain Thor's blockchain platform, and holders may have the capacity to transform or reinvest VTHO into VET and thus growing the VET rate. This could be one of the many reasons why the VET rate should rebound. Demand for Thor will even boom once Vechain's organization companions start the usage of the blockchain. Everyone for this moment because the task definitely involves existence. Most of the businesses are currently on check net walking checkout transactions. Anyway, it could soon change. We are anticipating a migration over to the main internet quickly where we can see the transaction and clever contracts to occur before the 12 months ends. Transactions can get monitored on Verge. The price predictions for 2023 and 2025. Vechain correctly integrates blockchain into present enterprise processes. For that reason, optimizing and liberating up sources. The surprising listing of its partnerships indicates that the corporation is extreme about continuing its increase. According to the verdict, VET is going to show a rapid uptrend, and by the early months of 2023, it will touch the price of $2.45 roughly. The Wallet Investor predicts that VET is a superb long-term investment. Wallet Investor predicts that the rate of the Vechain market is going to fly high enough to give its investors a lump sum profit as the price of VET by the middle of 2025 will touch $14.36. As per CoinSwitch analogy, Vechain has been considered as a healthy investment because the fee structure of a single token has extended over time. It permits better monitoring support to the delivery chain. That's why it should be advantageous for agencies that use this blockchain. They finish by declaring that investing in Vechain can be worthwhile in the long term. The crew at the back of Vechain has been capable of achieving wonderful consequences for the right reasons that the project got launched. Its partnerships show that big gamers are interested in this task's improvement and generation is preferred. As you can see, it is pretty evident that the market price will march upwards in no time, and the uptrend will last for a significantly longer period. Over the years, I am here primarily focusing on 2 years as the benchmark, 2023 and 2025. Because if you are an investor who is looking for some long-term investment and earn a big-time solid amount of profit, this data can be useful to you. Some might still speculate if VET would really go that high, but the demand for Vechain's blockchain technology is increasing and it is going to be in the mainstream market quite soon. As a result, we can see a steady bullish trend in the chart, and as our estimation says, the market price should reach $2.45 in 2023 and $14.36 in 2025. Closure. So guys, I hope the whole discussion would be helpful for you to make a sound decision regarding if you want to invest in Vechain or not. But again, I would strongly insist on taking time and doing your research because investment in Vechain might get subjected to market risk. So do your math, take experts' advice, and never forget your risk management before making any move. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this and share this video as much as you can so that many people can educate themselves about the scenario. We will meet again in our next video. Happy investing.